I remembered my suitcase vanished somewhere between New York and Doha, and with it, everything I needed. Clothes, camera gear, gifts gone. That moment taught me a brutal travel lesson. Checked luggage isn't safe unless you make it safe. Since then, I've tested every trick in the book. And in this video, I'm sharing the 13 most effective tips that actually protect your bags. These aren't recycled hacks. They're real tactics I've used across dozens of flights, and they've saved me from delays, damage, and even theft. If you want your luggage to survive the journey, stick around because this list might be the reason it arrives with you. Number 1. Use a TSA Approved Lock. Using a TSA Approved Lock is the first real layer of security you can apply to your checked luggage. These locks have a special red diamond symbol that tells airport screeners they can open the bag with a universal master key without breaking the lock or damaging your bag. If you use a non-TSA lock, it's often cut off during inspections, leaving your suitcase exposed. A quality TSA lock reduces the chance of your luggage being tampered with or accidentally opened. And while no lock is theft-proof, most bag thefts are crimes of opportunity, not sophisticated heists. Locking your bag slows down any potential thief, making your suitcase less appealing. Also, before heading to the airport, double-check that the lock is properly closed and the zippers are tucked under it to prevent easy access. It's a small investment that makes a big difference and helps your luggage stay sealed and secure through handling, transfers, and inspections. Number 2, secure zippers with colorful zip ties. Zip ties aren't just for electricians. They're one of the cheapest and smartest ways to detect tampering. When you zip up your luggage, add brightly colored zip ties to the main zipper pulls. If the TSA opens your bag, they'll have to cut the zip tie and you'll instantly know it's been inspected. Choose neon colors, orange, pink, lime green, so you can spot them easily on the baggage carousel. If you notice a missing or broken tie, check your bag right away. This tip doesn't stop someone from opening your suitcase, but it alerts you quickly. You can also stash a few spare zip ties in your carry-on so you can reseal your bag for your return flight. Many frequent flyers swear by this simple method because it's both affordable and effective. Plus, unlike full plastic wrap, zip ties don't delay TSA or create waste. Just remember to use scissors or nail clippers in your hotel room or ask for help at the airport to remove them safely later. Number 3, switch to tamper-evident seals. For travelers who want an extra layer of security beyond zip ties, tamper-evident seals offer a more professional upgrade. These small numbered plastic tags are often used in shipping and logistics and are designed to show clear signs if they've been removed or broken. You simply loop the seal through your luggage zippers and write down the number. If that number doesn't match when you arrive, you know your bag has been opened. These aren't just for high-security missions. They're gaining popularity among savvy travelers who want peace of mind. TSA still has the authority to open your bag, and they will break the seal if needed. But you'll know immediately. That lets you inspect your contents before leaving the airport and file a complaint or claim on the spot. Some people even take a photo of the seal number before check-in for record keeping. It's discreet, affordable, and makes your bag far less tempting to airport thieves or careless handlers. Number 4, use a heavy-duty luggage strap. A luggage strap isn't just a colorful accessory, it's a reinforcement system for your entire suitcase. These adjustable nylon belts wrap tightly around your checked bag, reducing the risk of it popping open during rough handling or conveyor belt jams. It's especially useful if your bag has an aging zipper or slightly overpacked contents. Choose a bright color or one with a unique pattern so your suitcase stands out on the carousel, which also reduces the chance of someone taking your bag by mistake. Some luggage straps even come with built-in combination locks or ID windows. They're reusable, weather-resistant, and far more sustainable than plastic wrap, which is often removed by TSA anyway. I always recommend travelers use straps on long-haul flights or multi-leg journeys, where bags are more likely to be tossed around. It's an underrated investment for just a few dollars that adds durability, visibility, and security. 3 things every checked bag desperately needs. Number 5, go for a hard-shell suitcase with secured zippers. Your bag's material makes a big difference. Hard-shell suitcases with zipper guards or latch-style closures are significantly harder to tamper with than soft-sided fabric bags. Cheap zippers can be popped open with a ballpoint pen even if locked and then zipped closed again without any sign of intrusion. But modern hard cases come with anti-theft zippers, recessed locks, and impact-resistant shells. These aren't luxury items anymore. You can find affordable models with the same features. The polycarbonate or ABS shell not only prevents forced openings, but also shields your belongings from crushing weight and rough handling. If you travel with electronics, souvenirs, or fragile items, this is essential. While the hard shell might weigh slightly more than fabric luggage, the extra protection pays off in peace of mind. Plus, some models come with an integrated TSA Approved Lock and compression compartments to help you pack smarter and safer. Number 6. Slip a GPS tracker inside your bag. Putting a small tracking device inside your checked luggage can be the smartest move you make before flying. Devices like Apple AirTags, Tile, or other GPS trackers let you keep tabs on your bag's location in real time. Place the tracker deep in a pocket or under a layer of clothing so it isn't easily spotted or removed. These trackers sync with your smartphone and update you with your bag's location, whether it's still on the plane, stuck in a layover city, or heading to the wrong country. Travelers have used this to speed up recovery when airlines had no clue where the bag actually was. Even when your airline says it's being located, you'll know exactly where it is. AirTags are FAA approved, and despite past confusion with some airlines, they're now widely accepted. If your luggage is lost or delayed, showing staff your live tracker location can often help push your claim forward faster. It's a quiet layer of protection that's becoming a must-have for any traveler. Number 7, take photos of everything you pack. Before zipping up your suitcase, lay out everything and take clear photos. If your luggage gets lost, delayed, or opened without your knowledge, those pictures can become your best evidence. Start by taking a wide shot of the open suitcase with everything visible. Then, snap close-ups of valuable items, receipts, and electronics. These photos help you file more accurate lost baggage claims and may speed up reimbursement or insurance payouts. Don't forget to take a final picture of your closed, locked suitcase with any tags or straps attached. Upload your photos to cloud storage or email them to yourself so you can access them, even if your phone gets lost too. Airlines rarely compensate based on verbal claims alone. Photos give you real leverage. Number 8. Label both inside and outside of your bag. Many people slap on one exterior tag and call it a day, but that's not enough. Baggage tags tear off or get snagged all the time, especially during conveyor transfers or heavy handling. To avoid the risk of your luggage becoming an unclaimed mystery, put identification both on the outside and inside of the suitcase. The outer tag should show your name and a reachable phone number, not your full home address, for security reasons. Inside the suitcase, place a printed sheet or business card with your contact info and destination address. This way, even if the outside tag gets destroyed, airline staff can still reunite your bag with you. Also, avoid using old baggage tags from past flights. They can confuse sorting systems and misroute your bag. Keep it clean, current, and easy to read. And if you're staying at a hotel, include the address so your bag can be forwarded directly to you in case it goes missing. Number 9. Keep valuables and essentials in your carry-on. Here's a golden rule. If it's valuable, irreplaceable, or urgently needed, do not check it in. Always keep important items like passports, cash, credit cards, prescription meds, electronics, jewelry, and fragile gifts in your carry-on. Airlines clearly state they're not liable for the loss or damage of these items in checked baggage. That means even if your $1,000 camera or heirloom necklace goes missing from your suitcase, you likely won't be reimbursed. On top of that, pack a spare outfit and basic toiletries in your carry-on. If your bag gets delayed even by 24 hours, you won't be stuck without clothes or essentials. A change of clothes, a toothbrush, phone charger, and basic meds can turn a travel disaster into a manageable inconvenience. It's also wise to carry any documents or equipment you'll need within 24 hours of landing. Checked baggage is helpful, but never fully dependable. Pack your carry-on like your backup survival kit because sometimes it really is. Number 10. Avoid overpacking your suitcase. Stuffing your suitcase until the zippers strain isn't just a packing mistake, it's a security risk. Overstuffed bags are more likely to pop open during loading, rip at the seams, or stress the zipper track until it fails. And when that happens in transit, your items can spill out or get damaged. It also makes inspections harder. TSA may repack your bag hastily, and a tightly packed suitcase can't be reclosed properly. Stick to 90-95% of your weight allowance to stay safe and avoid extra fees. Most airlines charge a steep fee for overweight bags, and in some cases, they may reject the bag entirely. Use a luggage scale at home to check weight before leaving, and leave a little room for souvenirs or last-minute items on your return. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them saves space and prevents wrinkles. It's better to pack smart than to shove it all in and hope for the best. Number 11. Arrive early and double-check the tags. Getting to the airport early doesn't just make boarding smoother, it helps protect your luggage too. When you arrive close to the check-in cutoff, your bag is more likely to be rushed, mishandled, or even left behind in the chaos. Arriving early gives airline staff time to tag your bag correctly, load it safely, and confirm it's on the same flight as you. Always check the tag attached at check-in to verify the airport code, flight number, and destination. Baggage handlers rely on these tags entirely, and one mistyped letter can send your bag to another city. Keep your claim receipt safe. It's your proof of ownership if something goes wrong. Store it in your passport wallet or take a photo of it. If you're connecting flights, ask if your bag is checked through or if you'll need to collect it mid-trip. These few seconds of attention can prevent hours of stress later. Number 12. Skip designer bags and loud labels. Flashy luggage may turn heads, but not always for the right reasons. Designer suitcases and bags covered in premium branding often attract attention from thieves or dishonest baggage handlers. A Louis Vuitton carry-on or a Gucci check-in bag screams, "There's something expensive inside, even if it's filled with socks." Instead, opt for neutral, durable luggage that blends in. Go for function over flash polycarbonate or ballistic nylon with reinforced seams and discrete logos. You can still personalize it for easy identification using colored straps, patches, or luggage tags. The goal is to make your bag easy for you to spot, but boring to everyone else. Also, remove airline priority tags and pass stickers from previous trips. These can confuse scanners or mislead handlers. A clean, unbranded look often travels the safest. It doesn't mean you can't show personality, just avoid flaunting anything that signals high dollar value. Number 13. Inspect your bag the moment it arrives. As soon as you grab your luggage off the carousel, don't just walk away. Stop and inspect it. Check for signs of damage, cracked wheels, missing zippers, torn fabric, or broken locks. If you use zip ties or security seals, make sure they're intact. Then, discreetly unzip the main compartment and quickly scan for missing or displaced items. If anything looks off, report it immediately at the airline's baggage service desk before you leave the baggage claim area. Most airlines have strict time frames for filing damage or theft claims, and waiting until you reach your hotel could reduce your chances of reimbursement. Take photos of any damage and keep a copy of your boarding pass and baggage tag. Even if the outside looks fine, it's worth taking one extra minute to be sure everything is where it should be. A quick check now can save days of frustration later. Checked luggage doesn't have to be risky. These 13 simple habits can protect your belongings, reduce stress, and help you arrive with everything just as you packed it. Use them, share them, and safe travels ahead. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends, and also let me know in the comments, have you ever had an incident with your checked luggage at the airport?